Hello friends, now to solve this expression, as you can see here we follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. O stand for, or we convert into multiplication. We solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition and S stand for subtraction. According to the BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the step 1 says solve the innermost parenthesis. As you can see here, innermost parenthesis is 4 square minus 10. So now and one more bracket here, 1 plus 1. So according to this, use BODMAS. We must resolve bracket first. Inside the first bracket we handle the exponents and before subtraction. So first we solve 4 square minus 10. So equals to 16 minus 10 equals to 6. And the next one is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So now the current expression becomes 144 divided by square bracket 2 multiplied by 6. Then multiply by 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. Now solve the second step. So brackets. Step 2 says 2 multiplied by 6 equals to 12, and according to this step, we continue resolving the remaining grouping symbols before moving to outside operation. So now the expression becomes 144 divided by 12 multiplied by 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. Perform division and multiplication from left to right. Since division and multiplication carry the same priority, we solve them in order from left to right. So first we solve 144 divided by 12 equals to 12. So now the expression becomes 12 multiplied by 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. Now we solve multiplication and then 12 multiplied by 3 is equal to 36, and now the expression becomes 36 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. Now again we divide from left to right. 36 divided by 2 equals to 18. Now the expression becomes 18 multiplied by 2. And now finally again we do multiplication. 18 multiplied by 2 equals to 36. So 36 is the final answer. Conclusion says according to this expression, by systematically applying the BODMAS hierarchy starting with the internal pars and brackets, then moving through the division and multiplication sequentially, the final result of this expression is 36. So I will meet in the next video. Bye bye.